Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to a new video. Now before we get started, we have officially hit 5,000 subs on the channel. Now as a result of that, not one but two people will have an opportunity to win a live funded account. I will be giving away not one but two funded accounts. I'll be giving away a $15,000 live funded account. I will also be giving away a $5,000 funded account as well. Both winners will have access to 1 month in my signals group as well. The accounts will be paid by me, that will be passed by me, and you will receive your live account and also be added to the signal group. Now it's very simple. All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, make sure that you follow the Instagram page as well, make sure that you like this video, and make sure that you also share this video as much as you can. And on top of that, there will be an Instagram post with the video. Make sure that you head over there and comment two of your friends that you would like to learn from this free education as well. Now, without any further ado, let's jump straight into the data. Now, without any further ado, it's quite clear that this week in particular, we have got a landmine full of data expected to come through. In fact, the US consumer confidence is basically going to pull through as we speak on this video, and then ESCOM is going to come through at 6 o'clock with more of those bad news that we don't want to speak about. But the US consumer confidence is going to come through now. The US consumer confidence is exactly what it is, what it say it is. It's basically the confidence that consumers have in the economy. Now, if you ask South Africans about their confidence in their confidence in the economy, I know exactly what they are going to say, because I've recently saw a post where it said that the African National Congress, the ANC, is basically promising that there will be a whole reduction in gangsterism by 2023. There was 162 reactions to the video, and 132 was people laughing, thinking that these is probably not going to happen. It just shows you the level of confidence that the people have there as well. But obviously we've got the USD the USD consumer confidence coming through today. However, nice move on the dollar index yesterday, but still stuck within the consolidation range as we've probably anticipated this week, as the markets are waiting for some very aggressive news as well. The German 30, also known as the DXY as well, also waiting for the Euro finance, which is the interest rate for the Euro. Then also we've got the US dollar interest rate decisions as well. Now, it's very difficult to make trading decisions when you are basically stepping in between all of these things, and you could potentially do what some people do. You know, you can scalp the market, because this is a good time to look for scalping opportunities. As we know, before any high impact news are released, the market tends to trade where it tends to move sideways, and this is exactly what we can see over here. This market is not going anywhere. It's basically just moving within a high and a low price. It can't go any lower than this, and it can't go any higher than that. So it's basically just stuck in between that range, giving you a good opportunity, if you think about it, to gamble with your hard-earned money. Now, there's two probability setups that we are going to be speaking about. Now, the first one is obviously looking for clearance to the downside, but we all know that we do expect a slight correction to the upside, obviously based on the monthly time frame, but I'm not going to go into the monthly time frame. However, we know the market broke below very strong level of support. Once support gets broken, it becomes resistance. And then also the best way I would say to approach this from a dollar perspective, it's either we wait for a clear break above that level and on the retest, definitely start looking for selling opportunities. Alternatively, if the market's not satisfied with the fundamental data that the Feds are going to make available to them, especially with the federal funds rate and the testimony by Powell, then we can expect the dollar index to continue weaker. Now, this was one of the analysis that I did on on Sunday or Saturday, and the market went as anticipated. The dollar index is now doing what? Testing resistance, and due to the correlation between the Nasdaq and the dollar index, that's very easy. This is going up back again because they are both moving sideways. Now this is US30 over here. US30 also not moved as much, but we can see US30 is also just stuck within that range there, obviously just moving sideways. So about that there as well. So again, we do expect that move to the upside, and then from there we can obviously just monitor the price action. Same thing we got here happening on gold. We can expect that move slightly higher, and then from there just monitor the price. German 30 also, the DAX 30 over there. We got this sideways movement over here, obviously also waiting for that interest rate decision to come through as well. So obviously waiting for the euro interest rate decisions. All our interest rate decisions coming through this week, so please make sure that you keep yourself, sorry about that friends, so please make sure that you do keep your eyes out open in the market so that you are always making the correct trading decision. Now don't forget about the competition that is running. It gives you a good opportunity to get funded for free as well, and make sure that you are sub to the channel, because if I do select the people at the end of Feb and you are not sub to the channel, or you don't follow the Wealth Creators page on Instagram, then unfortunately you will forfeit the competition, and I will select the next person to come up. All names will be mixed up, and will be selected by random. So I'm not going to be a nice guy and say, oh, I'm going to say no. Also make sure that you are in the Telegram group, because that will make it a lot easier to do the shuffle as well. But the two names will be selected by random as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for the support. And as always, cheers for the ears.